Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Guys, today's video is going to be short. The reason for that is that you guys know a lot of the shops are closed. It's really hard to buy a lot of stuff. So I haven't really been able to pick up a lot of things, but this is a very quick Poundland haul. I just wanted to show you guys a few little things that I picked up. So this video should be much shorter than normal for my videos, but if you guys like it, please don't forget to smash that like button. Guys, I love these little oil burners. They are fantastic. They are super easy to clean. This isn't even small. This is a medium-sized oil burner. I love having these in my kitchen, in my living room. I did recently break a couple because I was cleaning and knocked them over, silly me. But these are £1, and they're really, really sturdy. Thick pottery. I'm totally in love with these. These come in a grey color and this almost beige white. I like the beige white better, but you can pick up the grey, and they're only £1, and I think they are great. If you guys were making a gift basket, you can pop something like this in along with some tea lights and some scented cubes. So these are fantastic. An oil burner for £1 I think is an amazing price. Oh, an amazing price. Okay guys, next thing that I picked up is this eyebrow palette. This eyebrow palette was only £1. I was totally blown away. I love the fact that it comes, that it's a palette. I love the fact that it's got darker and lighter shades. So you guys can actually choose what type of coverage that you want to use. Oh my gosh, this is super pretty. So it has the little mirror right here. We're going to just throw that off screen. Oh my gosh, this eye palette is adorable. Absolutely adorable. You have this cream kind of contour right here. You have a dark powder and, oh, guys, just saw my face. We're going to cover that right up. And you have a dark powder. I tend to go for the darker. I start with the light powder and then I go with the darker powder. I'm loving the fact that it has this little highlighting shade that I can do just under my brow to give it some definition. It comes with this rubber tip at the end for doing the shading. You have the eyebrow brush for definition of the eyebrow, and then you also have a pair of tweezers. And this little palette was only £1. I mean, that is super cute and adorable. I'm super, super, super happy with that. I have been saying for the longest time, I have a huge whisk, and sometimes when I just want to mix up something really small, I've been saying for ages that I wanted to get a smaller whisk. So this in Poundland, it only came in this blue baby blue color. I'm totally fine with that. But it is a smaller whisk for use in smaller mixing dishes, and I just think it's adorable. For £1, it is cute, and it's love baking stuff whisk, and it's just a little small whisk. It's not as small as the miniature whisks, but this is a baby sized whisk, and I love it. I'm just going to take the tag off. I'm definitely going to use this a lot. So I'm super happy that I was able to pick that up. Okay, guys. Next item. I've shown you these before. I've picked them up in other places. These are the 6-pack of dip tubs, and they hold 75 milliliters of dip. I bring a lot, especially in summer. I bring a lot of salads to work. They're just easy. They're quick. And there's no cooking time. But I hate putting my dressing over the salad and then have it sit in the fridge for maybe 2-3 hours before lunch. So I love the fact that I have these little reusable, and I do reuse them over and over and over again. The little dipping sauces. You can see here they have guacamole, they have cheese, they have salsa. I mean, these are just fantastic to have as a little addition to your salad. They are cute, adorable, if you can call Tupperware cute and adorable. I have used these in the past. They do not leak, so they're pretty sturdy, and I just think a pack of 6 is pretty awesome. I use them all the time for everything. I mean, guys, realistically, I do like a bit of cheese with my salad. Again, the lettuce leaves can make it wet and a little soggy. Put your cheese into one of these containers, put your salsa or your dip into another, and I mean, that's perfect. Then when you're having your lunch, put it all together, so you don't get that soggy jelly type taste and feel to your cheese, and it just keeps it all separate, and that's kind of what I like. So I'm super, super happy with those. I'm causing an avalanche. I love self-tanning. I do not like going to a tanning salon. I don't like using the UV lights. I'm always just a little worried about that. So, but I do self-tan at home. So I'm always on the lookout for a decent tanning mitt. This is one that I picked up from Poundland. It is a Santa Monica self-tanning premium for seamless tanning application. This is a self-tan applicator mitt. I nearly got that. And it says it includes PVC gloves. Okay, I didn't see the bit when I was buying this that it includes a PVC glove, because I generally, does it? It does. I don't like the ones that do not have the plastic coating on the back. This one seems to feel like it does have the plastic coating on the back, because I don't like it seeping through. I find when you use a glove inside these, your hand moves and you can cause streaks, and I don't like that. But this tanning mitt is smaller than tanning mitts I've I've purchased before, and I like the fact that my hand fits into it quite comfortably. It has this gorgeous, gorgeous soft feel to the front. So I'm pretty impressed with that at £1. It's pretty decent quality. I will let you guys know in further updates whether this was good or bad. So that was pretty awesome. This is just something silly that I picked up. And it's a poop. Fishing for floaters. I picked this up because I thought it was funny. This is a little toy set where you have poop. These are poop emojis. These are just look like regular poops. And you pop them in the bath. And kids play with this toy and fish for the poops in the bath. I thought my little nephews would find this hilarious because they always talk about poop. And I just picked this up for them. So this was only £1. It is something funny. I know that they will love it. So I just wanted to show you guys that I got this. Okay, this I'm excited for. We'll show you the slime at the very end. This I'm super excited for. This is a set of 3. This one has turned around, so I'll pop that one back, and it's exactly the same as this one. You get these little test tubes, and you get luxury cream bath, you get luxury bath crystals, and you get luxury shower gel. These are relaxing spa fragrance. All 3 are relaxing spa fragrance, and I thought these were adorable. I love the little wooden stand. I love the fact that they look like test tubes. These were only £1. I could not believe it that these were only £1. Now, guys, I don't intend to keep these. I do intend to put these, to give these away to charity. I will fix this one up so it looks a bit better, but I don't intend to keep these yet. I am definitely going to give these to charity. It's always nice for charities to have things throughout the year so that they can help people who really, really need it. So I just thought these were fun. I thought they were super nice. And I just thought, why not pick them up? You know, a lot of the stuff that you guys see on my channel, I don't use everything. That's the truth. I don't tend to keep everything. I don't tend to use everything. So I do like to give back. So I do tend, I'm just taking these out so you guys can see them. I do tend to give them away to charities. I give them away to family and friends. I do like other people, if they can make use of things that I can't, I do like them to have them. So we're just going to pop that back there. Guys, the last thing that I bought was this rainbow putty. Now this rainbow putty comes in a set of 6. One, you get pink, you get orange, you get yellow, green, blue, and the indigo or the purple. This little pack costs £2. I don't mind that. That is a lot of putty for the price point. I'm just going to open this and show you guys quickly. Maybe open the pink side. I'm not going to open all of these because I intend to put some of this into a giveaway. I think they're cute, but these are the tiny little pots. It says do not swallow, and it is for age 3 and over. So if you guys let any of your kids play with it and they're under that, just make sure they're supervised. We do not want to cause any harm to anyone. So you get this tiny little pot. Oh my God, the lids are tough. But that's really good though, because then that means that your putty will stay secure, and it doesn't dry out. So these are a lot like, they're not putty. They're like jiggly slime. I mean, I love slime. If you guys have seen my channel, I do slime videos every now and again. But I love that. That is so nice. I mean, you're not getting that bubble pop, totally fine, don't mind it. But you're getting that jiggly sensation. And I just think it's super cute. For £2, I think it was worth buying. Just even if I wasn't going to put it into a giveaway or to give it away to family and friends, I don't really mind because it's super cute. And I find myself really, sometimes when I'm watching TV, I will play with slime because I find it super relaxing. So it stops me thinking, it gives me a focus, it gives me a purpose. I know a lot of people don't like slime. Totally get it. It can be messy. But I find that if I'm just playing with slime, and I've had a hard day at work or it's just been a hard day, it was fine. Playing with slime makes me feel a wee bit more relaxed. So I love slime. I probably will be doing slime videos in the future. So watch out for those of you guys that love slime. But I think these are really cute. These these are made in China, of course they are, and they're manufactured for B&M retail. I don't know how I find them in Poundland if they're B&M retail. No idea. I'm almost sure that these were bought from Poundland. Guys, they were only £2 when I bought them. They're super cute and adorable. Really, really like them. And they're just so much fun. In fact, I keep taking it back out. I'm just going to play with this until the end of the video. So guys, if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. And guys, honestly, I love hearing your comments. I love hearing your thoughts. Please put them in the comment section below. I will do my utmost to come back to you and reply to your comment or to heart it. And all I want to say is, guys, please, please, please take care. Look out for each other and stay safe. Take care, everybody. I'm going to catch you next time. Bye.